it for today is that I can use basic facts to approximate quotients with 2-digit divisors. So let's look at some of these key vocabulary terms. What does it mean to approximate? What are we going to do when we approximate? What does that mean? Who can tell me what approximate means? What are we going to be doing?
Find a value close to the answer.
Very good. We're going to find the value close to the answer. We're going to estimate, right? We're going to approximate. We're going to find the answer closest to it. And then quotients. What is quotients? What does it mean when it says quotient? Savannah Marks, I see your hand, sweetie.
I kind of forgot, but I'm pretty sure it's the answer to a division problem.
Perfect. Yes, it is the answer to a division problem. Yes, ma'am. Great. And then it says with 2-digit divisors. What is a divisor? What is a divisor? Who can tell me what a divisor is? Let's see. Mila, can you tell me what a divisor is?
A divisor?
Mm-hmm.
I think it would be maybe something that would go with a division problem.
It is something that goes with a division problem. It is. Do you know which part of the division problem?
What you call the total.
Well, the total is going to be our quotient, remember? But what is the divisor called? It is part of the division problem, but which part of the division problem is that?
The numbers you multiply together?
Well, not the numbers you multiply, but the number you divide by, right? The number that you divide by in the division problem. Great job. Thank you, Mila. All right,
sorry, so I'm just tired.
It's okay. I think we all feel that way sometimes. It's okay. Let's look at this first example together. I have 402 divided by 19, okay? What is the whole number in this problem? What is the whole number in this problem? 402 divided by 19. Which one of these is the whole number? Is it 402 or is it 19?
And we should be looking on our Teams screen, okay? Team screen to see what Ms. Peters is sharing.
Which one of these is my whole number? Let's see, Kaifa, which one of these is my whole number? Is it 402 or is it 19?
402.
Very good, 402. And then what would my divisor be? Savannah Scott, what is my divisor in this problem?
Your divisor is 19.
19, perfect. Yes, our divisor is 19. So now it says that our first step is that we're going to round our divisor first. We've got to round the divisor first. So what is 19 rounded to the nearest 10? If we round 19 to the nearest 10, what would it be? Let's see. Ellie, what would we round 19 to the nearest 10 to?
If 19 was rounded to the nearest 10, it would be 20.
Perfect. Yes, we will round it to 20. We are doing such a great job already. Here we go. All right, so
Ellie,
now
I really like how Ellie restated that question too when she answered.
Yes, she did.
She used what you asked her, Ms. Peters, to restate it and to really make it make sense. That was an awesome job, Ellie.
Awesome. So now that we have rounded our divisor, Ellie has told us we're going to round it to 20, right? We're going to round it to 20. So now we have to round our whole number of 402 to a number that is easily divided by 20. Okay, so we need to think about multiples of 20 and a number that is easily divided by 20. What could we round 402 to that is divisible by 20? Savannah Marks.
400.
400, perfect, yeah. 400, because 402 rounds to 400. And 400, I can use mental math to divide 400 by 20, right? So if we round 400 by 20, what would we do first? how would we solve this problem mentally? We would say 4 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 4? Show me. You can show me with your fingers. How many times does 2 go into 4?
2 times what gives you 4?
There, I see some fingers. There you go. Okay. Very good. 2. Okay. So that. Oh, I skipped a spot. So sorry. This is what we were talking about yesterday. So when we're dividing, remember when we multiplied, we added on our zeros, remember? But now that we're dividing, we're taking those zeros away, right? So if my 20 has a 0 in it, I'm going to take away one of the zeros in 400. So then my problem would look like 40 divided by 2, okay?
Miss
Then-
Peters,
Yes.
I cannot see your screen.
Okay, I'll reshare for you, Liberty. Give me just a second.
And another way to think about that, right, is if you think about how many tens they have, 400 is the same as 40 tens, and 20 is the same as 2 tens. So you could also, that's kind of like thinking the same thing. So 40 divided by 2, or 40 tens divided by 2 tens.
And so we were just, you guys just told us that 2 goes into 4 2 times, right? Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. Sorry, I'm clicking, but I'm on the other screen. There we go. So then we'd write our 2 down, and then we carry down our 0, right? We're going to bring the 0 down. So then 40 divided by 2 is 20. Okay, here's my little person thinking about it. He's rounded it, approximated it to 400 divided by 20, and then 40 divided by 2, which gives us 20.